guys, welcome back to our shopping series part 3. We're out here at Gotemba Premium Outlets today. And grabe, sobrang lamig. Tapos yesterday pala, I made a poll on Instagram saying if you guys wanted me to cop this cheaper alternatives for the Yeezy Foam Runners. And yeah, for today, panalo yung cop, so suot ko siya.
That's what he's wearing.
Suot ko siya sa outlets today. Ayan.
And nalalamig na siya.
And yes guys, medyo wrong move nga na suot ko yung pair na to. Kasi sobrang lamig pala dito sa Gotemba.
Yeah, kasi malapit ito sa Mount Fuji.
Tapos naka-ano lang ako, naka-slacks lang ako. Tapos socks inside the Crocs. So medyo sobrang lamig nga talaga. So mukhang mapapabili tayo sa Nike here later on today. So we'll update you guys with that. Let's go! Okay guys, so first store na nadaanan namin is yung Pokemon store. Hindi ko na-visit yun last time I was here in Gotemba. Pero for now, we're looking for the food court kasi medyo gutom na rin. Sobrang traffic papunta dito. It took us about 1 hour, 30 minutes.
No, 2.5.
2.5 from the house?
Yeah.
Oh, grabe.
Just asleep.
So tulog lang ako kanina. Pero ganun pala katagal. Sobrang traffic. Sobrang daming tao as you guys can see that. So, yeah, sana marami rin kami mabili dito. Sana marami magandang sale items. And yeah, see you guys in a bit. Nike factory store, but we're already here sa Food Bazaar. So, let's get it. Okay, so we just finished eating. Now let's head over to Nike. Solid jacket. May Nike sa likod.
Wow.
Ay on sale. Ito, naintindihan ko to. Pag naka 5K ka, may 1,000 off ka.
Wow! Pag naka 10K?
Naka 10K, 2,000 yen off. So, pwede na, not bad. Ganda. Lightweight, pwede for the Philippines.
How much is it?
8,000 yen. So may less 1K. Not bad. Ang ganda.
Get na.
Babalikan namin to later. Small jacket. Ito available sa Commonwealth in Rockwell. And they have it here for around 10,600 yen. So around 5,000 pesos in the Philippines. I believe around 7,500 sa Commonwealth. So yeah, not a bad pickup.
And again, may discount pa.
So one of my favorite jackets in the Philippines. Lightweight na anorak pang ulan. I have it here for around 7,000 yen. Ito, ganda. Ang tracksuit vibe. Matchy with this track pants right here. Ayoko yung malaki. Pero if ito lang, ang ganda niya. Okay, let's start here sa sneaker wall. First thing that I saw is this pair of Fear of God moccasins. They have it here for wala siyang price. Pero ayan, Fear of God moccasins sa outlets. So ito, Fear of God wall. They have it here for 12,999. They also have the gray one in stock. And solid Fear of God moccasins. Okay, so over here they have the Element React 87. Sobrang mura, 6,000 yen lang. They have a lot of sizes. Ito, sobrang dami nagpapa-pre-order in the Philippines for around 5,000. Super cheap pa rin. Pero ito, less than 3,000 pesos. Ang ganda. Ito, another super nice item. Air Force 1 for 12,999. Ang ganda, daming kulay. So, over here is the Jordan wall. Puro pang basketball. And if you guys are looking for basketball shoes, ang dami rin dito sa outlet sa Gotemba. So this is the nice part. Actually, magsa-scavenger hunt ka talaga ng magagandang items sa clearance wall. Ito, they have the Air Max 270. I actually really like this nung nilabas siya before. Ito, Vapor Max na South Beach colorway. And sobrang dami. Meron sila nung 270 Reacto. And sobrang dami. Ganda. Ito rin mo, solid. Actually, nag-sell out ata ito sa Soul Academy before. I'm not really sure. Oops. Ayun, nahulog. Ito, they have my size. Air Max 720 OBJ. And ang ganda. Solid. Size 9. So, ito, hanap pa tayo. Okay, so right here they have the Nike Zoom Fly na Gyakusu. I'm not sure how to pronounce it right, pero I think this was hyped at one point. And ang ganda. And over here they also have some Air Max 98s na kamukha nung sa Supreme. Ayan itsura niya, guys. Kamukha niya yung Supreme na collab with Nike for the Air Max 98s din. So they have it here for 10,000 yen. So may discount pa ulit yan. Ayan, ang ganda. So I'm really contemplating of buying this pair right here kasi nga sobrang mura niya, 5,999. And I believe this is called the Red Orbit. And sobrang dami niya sizes. Ito may size 9 pa. So do you guys think this is a cop or a drop? Let me know down below in the comments. So ito mga souvenir tees nila, Nike Tokyo. And I actually have a collection ng mga Nike tees kung saan ako nakakapuntang countries. Ayan, mga solid. Okay, it looks like I'm copying this pair right here. Alright, so napasubo na kami dito sa Nike. Sabi kasi diba may 2,000 off, saka 1,000 off. Guys, January 6 pa raw start. So ayan, napasubo ako, napabili ako ng items worth above 10k yen. Pero walang discount. I mean, cheap naman, pero sayang pa rin yung less. Pangkain na rin yun, pang Yoshinoya. So ayan na guys, nag-start na umulan. Basang-basa na kami. Medyo right decision din na nag-crocs ako today for this outlet trip. So okay lang mabasa. So yeah, next store. So next store we're going to is Prada over there. Pero umiiwas kami sa ulan. Grabe, lamig. Let's go, Prada. Solid. Guys, this is the line for Prada. Pero nakalabas na yung mom ni Bianca. Wala raw masyado. Yeah, wala raw maganda. So on to the next tour. Alexander McQueen. Pinsan ni Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow. Givenchy. Louboutin. Red bottoms. And Saint Laurent. Yung next. And Saint Laurent. And dito pala papasok ngayon. Yeah. So nung nagsi-school pa ako, dating gusto ko dating design eh. Ganyan pero black. And they don't have it here. Medyo wild yung mga designs. Ito pala, parang ganyan. So solid. What's up? Hey guys, on feet. Crocs, boy.
Sakto umulan. Naligtas yung breads mo sa ulan.
So, ito pala yung nabili ko. And this is what it looks like. After no discount, it was 5,000 na lang. So, super cheap. So, right beside Saint Laurent, we have Balenciaga right there. And so, pasok tayo dyan. Katabi, Gucci. So, sobrang daming luxury items here. So, yeah, let's check it out. Super wild na backpack, Balenciaga. We also have some waist bags right here. Ito mga pouch. Ganda. And Balenciaga. Maganda, solid. Actually, they also have some triple S sneakers right here. Ito ata yung version 2 if I'm not mistaken. And mga colorways. Dami. Ito, maganda. Waist bag. Oh, they also have the track sneakers right there. It's very nice, huh? Ayan. That's the outlet. Let's check how much. Guys, tinan nyo. Almost half off. 104,500, naging 95. Tapos ngayon, 6,000. Ay, 61,800 yen. So around 30,000. Sobrang cheap na nito. Solid. Guys, over here they have some nice t-shirts din. Ito, Speed Hunters. Mukha siyang vintage tee. Balenciaga. Ito siya. Around 38,000 yen. Balenciaga. Speed Hunters. Ganda. So right here naman, we also have some track jackets. Similar to the one I got from Nike earlier. Pero super cheaper yung sa Nike. Ito Balenciaga sa hoodie. T-shirt. And ganda. Ito, papaalam na ako kay Bianca. Bianca, can I buy this?
Ikaw.
Mukhang hindi yan ah. Sige na, para yung channel natin maging parang kay Tulfo.
Ang solid.
Maganda. Balenciaga track.
Your size.
Sige na. ChummiTV x Tulfo. So after further thinking, mukhang we're not copying it kasi wala kaming space sa luggage going home. Abigat siya. Okay, finally time for Gucci. Gucci. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Let's go. Okay, we're out here at Gucci. Straight tayo sa apparel section. Hanap tayo ng mga loud na jacket for traveling. Let's go. Actually, mura lang nila yung binibenta. Mga ganitong design, yung black on black. Ito kaya, how much to? So over here, they have it for 49,000. Ayan, shoulder bag na Gucci. Black on black. They also have some backpacks. Ayan. Pero ang ganda. Actually, ito solid eh. Pang, ano, pag mamamalengke.
Ganda.
Solid. So we finally finished over at Gucci. Namili yung nanay ni Bianca. Sobrang tagal namin ito. Around 2 hours.
Oh, 2 hours.
Oo, daw.
30 minutes.
O sige, mga 30 minutes daw. Pero at least tumila na yung ulan. It stopped raining. So I believe we're going to Adidas now kasi hopefully may mga sales sila. Sana rin may Yeezys. Yeezys at the outlets. Let's go. Okay, so now we're walking to my bridge. Going to the other side of the outlets. Nandun ulit yung mga Nike. They have Adidas there. Doon kami nakapark actually. And nandun din yung mga toy store like yung Pokemon store, Lego store, Champion, and many others. So we'll see what we can check out. Sana may mga magagandang items. Here we go, Adidas. Let's check it out. Straight to the sneaker section. They also have some Ultra Boost here. And ito magandang colorway. They have it here for 15,400 yen after 30% off. They also have the Oreo colorway, 11,000. And ito mura, 10,000 yen. Ito blue and so ito rin, and dami. Ultra Boost. Ito actually pogi, 6,000 yen lang. I believe this is called the Super Quartz. And 6,000 yen. Ganda, parang all-white sneaker that you can wear every day. So this is how the pair looks like on feet. Sobrang pogi. Pero mas pogi ito, syempre. Crocs, baby. Okay, so we didn't really see anything worth copying over at Adidas, pero outside we have a Crocs booth. Pwede ng ambassador. Crocs, baka naman.
Come as you are.
So ngayon, ikot kami ng Gotemba kasi they're closing at 8, so we still have around 2 hours to shop. So titingin pa kami kung ano maganda. Okay, itong next store, kanina ko pa ito gusto actually puntahan nung pagpasok pa lang namin here sa Gotemba. So this store is actually the Pokemon store. So yeah, let's get it. And pagpasok, we have Pikachu, mga plush toys, solid. So ikot muna kami. Oh, okay. Oh, Charizard daw. Kilala niya favorite Pokemon ko. Bianx. Sige, name that Pokemon.
Squirtle?
Almost. This is Blastoise. Kamukha ko. Tapos Lapras. Oh, cute. Okay, hanap lang ako ng Charizard. Kasi sold out si Charizard. Pero mga solid, mga Snorlax. Hey guys, costume! Costume ni Snorlax, solid. What else? Ito may mga Meganium. Skarmory, nag-iisa na lang. Unknown. Ooh, solid. Uy, favorite ng baby brother ko yan. Gengar. Solid. What else? Ito, Pokemon. Jigglypuff. Yan, solid. Okay, so it looks like I'll be buying some Pokemon Nano Blocks and pang display lang din sa room. Solid. They go for around 1,000 yen each. I got Pikachu and Mewtwo. Wala rin kasing Charizard, pero ayun nga, solid. Okay, so we're concluding our Gotemba shopping trip over here. Last pickup ko is yung from the Pokemon store. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And yeah, tomorrow will be over at Harajuku, Shibuya area.
Yep.
So, ano, yun na makakaiwalay na kami with her parents. So, makakaikot na kami ng kami-kami lang. Makakapag-shopping kami over at Babe. Kasi today yung release nila. And yeah, hopefully marami kami mabili tomorrow.
And susulitin na namin since we're leaving in like 2 days.
Yeah, so yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace, God bless.